Jharkhand is a state rich in natural resources and abundant possibilities. The sacred land of Jharkhand, Karma Bhumi of the great freedom fighter and revered icon of the tribal community, Bhagwan Birsa Munda, has witnessed continuous efforts over the past 9 years by the Government of India for the all-round development of the state and the upliftment of tribal communities. On the auspicious occasion of Bhagwan Birsa Munda's birth anniversary, celebrated as Tribal Pride Day and Jharkhand's Foundation Day, the state is set to receive several important projects. More than 7,000 crore rupees worth of projects, which will accelerate Jharkhand's economic growth and strengthen its infrastructure, are being inaugurated and foundation stones are being laid today. These include projects from the Ministries of Education, Road Transport, Petroleum, Coal, and Railways. Among these is the foundation stone of CCL's KDH Purnadi coal handling plant. The establishment of this state-of-the-art coal handling plant will increase the capacity of coal transportation and loading, ensuring seamless supply of coal. Strengthening infrastructure in the field of higher education, the foundation stone of the Indian Institute of Information Technology, IIIT, Ranchi campus is being laid today, along with the dedication of the permanent campus of the Indian Institute of Management, IIM, Ranchi and the Aqua Marine Students Hospital at IIT ISM Dhanbad. The expansion of infrastructure and new campuses in Jharkhand's premier educational institutions will support the smooth functioning of academic activities and provide students with modern, advanced learning environments. Students receiving world-class education here will be able to contribute significantly to the creation of a developed India in the future. In the direction of strengthening road connectivity, the foundation stone is also being laid for converting the Mahagama, Hansidiha section of NH 133 into a 4-lane highway and widening the Vasukinath, Deoghar section into 4 lanes. These developments will ensure faster transportation of minerals and ores, leading to progress in tribal-dominated regions, while also improving access to renowned religious destinations such as Baba Baidyanath Dham and Vasukinath Temple. The Paul Depot in Bokaro is also being dedicated to the nation. Additionally, the complete electrification of Jharkhand's railway network is being dedicated to the nation. This will contribute to environmental protection and reduce carbon footprints. Along with this, the doubling of the Patratu Jarangadi rail section, the Hatia Pakur section, and the Talgriya Bokaro rail section is also being undertaken. With the completion of these railway projects, operating high-speed trains such as Vande Bharat in the region will become possible. The inauguration and foundation laying of these projects will not only accelerate Jharkhand's development but will also contribute to fulfilling India's resolve for nation building.